So motorbikes are cool, but you ever had lunch? Trying something new today. We've got the cheese and bacon roll 4-pack. Not bad. Not the best, definitely not the best, but also not the worst. To accompany this one, we've got a Red Bull Party Edition. So out there having a good lunch, and it started to rain a little bit, so we've had to take this inside somewhere a bit more intimate. You can see probably it's getting a bit wet out there, and it looks like we're going to be settling in here for about 15 minutes. Woo! Blue skies now, what's up with that? No worries, let's go. My gloves are so wet. So this is another hill that I've been stuck on for quite a while. Feeling pretty confident today, so I might just give it a crack, see how far we can get. Went over the hangers, got stuck under the bike. Pretty average result, I'm gonna say. So I've been searching around for a little while now, trying to find something fresh. I've come down this track just here, and it turns out this is the top of that hill that I just fell off on. Definitely feeling it after today. Got some snacks together for the drive home. Bit of a lethal combination there. Should get me fired right up, and we'll get this drive out of the way. Looks like we're going to get home well after dark, but I'm making good progress. I think the highlight of today was probably flipping the bike over that hill and then getting stuck under it for about 10 minutes while the fuel drained out on me. Great experience. I can't say I've ever had that happen before, so something ticked off the bucket list, I guess. Let's get this drive underway, get ourselves something to eat.